Alright, so welcome back to Pinoy Screencast. So in this video, I'll be showing you on how to unbrick your Omega HD 2.0. Medyo magiging mahaba yung video na to kasi whole process talaga siya from the very start, from breaking it to unbricking it. The tools that we're going to need is a screwdriver, yung maliit lang, yung normal na cross na screw, a simple wire na manipis lang. I'll be showing you on how to break this phone. So ang gagawin ko, I will put a different software or a preloader. Lenovo S920 is not compatible for the Omega HD dahil hindi niya files yon. So mangyayari, hindi na mag-boot yung phone. Okay, so yun yung break. Okay, so here are the files that we're going to need. So in order for you to install the driver, you need to double click the install DRV. So I'll be providing all the files on the description box of this video. So kung makatulong man to, okay, don't forget to like and share this video kung sakali man. Okay, install driver for the 64-bit. So pwede rin to, right click ko lang, run as administrator. As you can see on my end, lumalabas na install na, but on your end kung hindi pa to na install, may magko-prompt dyan sa inyo, meron pang kailangang i-install na driver or kailangan siyang bigyan ng permission para ma-install yon. Meron pang isang driver which is this one, USB driver. So usually naman ito kung kailangan nyo i-access yung file nyo na kapag kailangan ma-detect siya as an Android preloader. Later on, papakita ko na lang sa inyo yan. Okay, so the SP Flash tool, nandito is version 13.16. And ang gagawin ko lang is Flash tool, right click, run as administrator. Kailangan kong hanapin ngayon yung file ng Lenovo. So, scatter loading, click ko lang. And I'll put the MT6589 na Android scatter tool. Alright, so nakita nyo na lahat ng file ngayon nakaload na. So, ang gagawin ko is I'll download it. So, kakabit ko lang ngayon. And then, plug ko yung battery. So, dapat mag-load ngayon yan. So, here. Kung sakaling may error na ganito, as you can see, is meron siyang 8038. So, usually, ang nangyayari niyan is mayroong kailangan i-check sa debugging tool. Pero try ko munang i-firmware upgrade kasi total, i-break lang naman to. So, wala lang sa akin yun. So, kailangan tumuloy lang siya sa pag-load. Okay, there. So, as you can see, once na natapos to, ang mangyayari niyan is totally break na yung phone. Or, hindi ko na magagamit. Kasi nga, ibang file na ang ginamit ko or ibang preloader. So, ang mangyayari nito is talagang totally blackout, non-bootable, or hindi madedetect yung driver. Okay, so now na natapos yung firmware upgrade ko here, so meron akong green mark na sabihin successfully, yan. I'll be going back to our phone, remove the USB, and I'll open my, and you will see na wala siyang response. So kahit anong gawin ko dyan, so kahit mag-volume down or volume up ako, hindi siya mag-boot. Nagkakabit ko rin to, yung USB ko. So, although nadedetect yung USB ko, pero sometimes on your end, hindi madedetect na yung USB nyo. So, kung nangyari yon na hindi na nadedetect yung phone nyo or yung USB nyo, ibig sabihin nun, kailangan nyo na buksan yung phone. But here, on my end, dahil nadedetect pa yung phone ko, ito muna yung unang process na pwede nyo gawin bago kayo magbukas ng phone nyo. So, kung hindi umubra tong first technique na gagawin natin, doon pa lang kayo mag-jump second technique natin na ginagawa, which is yung pagbubukas ng phone and doing the test point. So, gagawin lang natin is kailangan nyo ikabalik yung stock ROM natin from the original na Omega HD 2.0. So, I have provided the file also on this one kung saan nyo pwede ma-download yung stock ROM natin ng Omega HD 2.0 for you to flash it on the SP Flash tool. So, ang gagawin ko lang is hanapin ko yon. Again, the scatter loading, files to flash. So, meron akong copy niyan. And you will see, naka-check ulit yan. So, kaibahan lang nito, syempre, iba yung structure ng file kanina. So, kailangan natin gawin is kailangan natin i-format. So, para mabura lahat nung nilagay niya ngayon dun sa ating file. Kasi kung mag-firmware update lang tayo, baka meron siyang matira na nanggaling sa lumang flash natin. So, format, this is very important. So, kailangan tama yung settings nyo dito. So, usually kasi pag kamali kayo dito, pwedeng possible na mabura yung IMEI nyo. But then again, kung may backup kayo ng IMEI nyo, it will not be a problem. Auto format flash and format whole flash except bootloader. So, click ko lang yan. And then, okay ko. Need to put your USB and then, balik nyo yung battery. So, nag-prompt yung inyong computer na na-detect siya. and it is flashing now. So ngayon nag-format na. Yung same format, okay, na-format nga na yung phone nyo. So even though you open it right now, hindi pa rin magbubukas yan kasi format pa lang hindi naman natin. The next thing is we are going to download, and then balik nyo na ulit yung USB nyo, and then balik nyo yung battery. So tumunog ulit yung ating file here, but here you will notice na may ulit problem, yung SP Flash tool error. So let's try again the firmware upgrade, and then balik ko yung USB and then yung battery. Okay, so there, nag-move ngayon yung Mediatek na USB. So, make sure also na gamit nyo yung SP Flash tool na ginagamit natin. Dahil kung hindi mag-work siya. Dahil yung lumang version ng ating SP Flash tool is, based on my experience, is hindi nag-work sa latest version ng MT6589. So, I think that's only for MT6589. So, nangyari, hindi nga na-detect yung Mediatek driver. So, yun yung naging problem ko nung una. So, I needed to use the SP Flash tool na updated version. Okay? So, yan. So, we will just be waiting to finish this, yung kanyang firmware upgrade. And once na natapos yun, let's try to check kung magbuboot na yung phone natin. Alright, so once the firmware is upgraded, ang gagawin natin is we will open our phone. So, let's check kung mag-open nga siya. And as you can see, nag-boot ang aking phone. And there, as you can see, nabuhay ulit yung phone ko with that first technique. Okay? So, the next technique that I will be providing is kapag hindi na-detect na yung totally, pati yung USB nyo, and talagang hindi siya bumubukas. So, with that process, yun na yung i-open ko yung device ko. Okay, so now, here, again, I'll remove it, and I'll load again the Lenovo firmware upgrade, remove the USB and the battery, and then put it back. So, tutunog ulit ang ating device, and there, as you can see, nag-load yung kulay blue. So, bigla ako siyang binunot. And, yan. So, ngayon, nangyayari niyan, if I open this, totally dead ulit ang aking phone. Okay? So, nangyari, pinigilan ko yung process niya. Although, nadedetect pa rin yung aking mobile. So, ang gagawin ko ngayon is I will be opening it. Okay? So, let's just assume na hindi talaga nadedetect yung aking USB kung sakali. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin is we will be opening our device. Okay, so I think that's all the screw. So, we will be popping it out. So, okay, so once na na-open nyo na yung inyong phone, ito yung makikita nyo, yung sa may tabi ng camera. And here, you will notice na ito yung tinuturo ko. So sa may camera, meron siyang parang maliit na copper there, na circle na maliit. And ang gagawin natin is we will connect yung jumper natin na wire. So now, ang gagawin natin, this one, the wire, kailangan nakalagay siya sa ground. Any metal there na nakakabit sa screw kasi hindi part ng board. Tatapat nyo lang yun, and then itatapat yung kabilang dulo doon sa mismong maliit na part na yun. Although sa kanya, dahil merong metal na malapit doon sa camera, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap it. Ang magiging ground is yung metal, and tatapat ko doon sa mismong bilog na yun, yung copper. Okay? So, but before I do that, kailangan nakakabit na yung USB. So, mapansin nyo, hindi yan tutunog kasi walang battery. Diba? So, mangyayari nun, siya yung parang magiging source para mag-boot up yung phone nyo. So, here, gagamitin ko is yung maliit na wire. Ididikit ko lang sa camera yung wire, and then tatapat ko doon mismo sa part na yan, yung maliit na bilog. And there. narinig nyo, nag-boot yung aking phone. Okay, so yun yung ibig sabihin nun. So siya yung nagiging test point para mag-boot up yung phone natin. So ang gagawin natin is kailangan natin i-load ngayon yung scatter loading ng Cherry Mobile natin. So open ko lang ulit yan, and again, format ko na muna in this one. Okay, so I'll just remove again the battery, the USB, then plug, and yan, nag-load ngayon yung scatter tool natin. Okay, so yan. So once na nag-boot na siya, dahil format na, firmware upgrade ulit tayo. So click ko lang yan, tanggalin ko muna yung USB ulit, then ibalik ko. Again, yung part na yan, yung sa may camera, and then yung bilog na jump na test point na tinatawag, and there, nag-boot ngayon yung SP flash tool natin. And mangyayari, pabalik na ulit ng inyong phone sa pag-power kasi pina-flash na natin yung proper file na kailangan niya. Alright? So that's the tutorial on how to unbrick your phone. So we will be just waiting to finish this, yung kanyang pag-flash, and let's see kung talagang nag-on nga yung ating phone. Okay? So while waiting for that, so usually this will work on Omega HD and Omega HD 2.0 kasi same sila ng board. But if you're going to test this technique on a different device, usually iba yung process kasi hanapin yung test point na tinatawag nga. So yung iba, merong diagram na nandito sa part na to, nandun sa part na yun. So depende yan sa board. So you can just Google it kung merong mang nakapag-fix na ng phone nyo. And kung sakali nga, the best way to troubleshoot it, use a wire, put it on the ground, on the phone itself. Yung merong mga copper dyan is i-test point nyo yung kabilang dulo. So kailangan mag-boot siya, kailangan tutunog siya until mahanap nyo yung pinaka-test point. On my end, I did a trial and error here on my phone kasi I don't have the semantic diagram on my Omega HD 2.0. That's why I needed to troubleshoot. So ang ginawa ko lang is una itong tinest ko yun nandito na malapit, and then sinunod ko yun dito. So hanggang sa nakita ko yun yung malapit sa, usually based on the diagram ng tutorial is malapit siya usually sa ground. So hindi kasi makikita dito pag zoom, masyadong maliit, meron nakasulat na GRD, so ground. So usually malapit yon doon, and meron din siyang sa DP, other labels there. So usually dun siya malapit. So yun yung pinaka-guide nyo. So once na makita nyo yun sa motherboard nyo or dito sa board mismo ng phone nyo, usually malapit na kayo dun sa pinaka-test point. So you just have to test yung mismong test point na yan. Okay? So that's how you check yan. So but be sure na hindi nyo nilalagay sa mga capacitor and chip dyan. Kasi may possibility na pag nag-shortage yan, automatic yung board nyo baka lalo masira. So just be careful on touching other parts of your mobile phone. So kailangan kung ano lang yung tatamaan nyo na part, yun lang talaga yung kailangan nyo itapat ng wire. Okay? So just be caution. Okay? Alright, so tapos na yung pag-firmware upgrade. So ang gagawin ko is I'll put it back muna yung phone ko. So I'll screw it again para mukhang matino-tino, or I'll put it here. Yan. So ang hirap niya buksan, pero pag sasara mo na mabilis kasi ipapatong mo lang yung back cover. And ganoon na siya. So pag tinatanggal mo, kailangan mo siyang pataas yung kanyang pag-snap. So now, I'll put first the battery and let's check kung mag-boot nga siya. And let's turn it on. Okay, so there, as you can see, nag-boot ulit ng ating Omega HD 2.0, and that's how you fix your phone. So madali naman siya, basta alam nyo yung gagalawin nyo sa board and you will be on the right track. Okay, so again, kung nakatulong man sa inyo itong video na to, don't forget to like my video or even share it to your friends na you might think that mag-benefit sila. And also, don't forget to subscribe on my video. So don't forget to leave a comment, and for sure, I'll be glad to hear from you guys, yung mga feedback nyo. So yun guys, so hopefully you can still subscribe on my channel and follow me on my Twitter and my Facebook. Alright, so again, this is Arnovino, and see you on my next screencast. This tool is typically the tool that I am using to verify the root access on my device kung sakaling successfully nga na-root. So maraming root checker there on the Play Store. You can choose whatever you want. So either of them will work. So here, I'll just click